Money feels complicated, but there's one simple idea that quietly decides whether you stay stuck or start building real wealth. It's called the behavior gap. And here's the truth. Most people don't fail because of low income. They fail because their money actions don't match their money goals. Think about this. Someone wants to save more, but every time stress hits, they buy something to feel better. Someone wants to get out of debt, but they avoid looking at their statements because it feels overwhelming. Someone wants to invest, but fear makes them wait for the perfect moment, which never comes. The gap isn't about intelligence, it's about psychology. So here's the beginner-friendly fix. Step 1. Take one tiny behavior and make it automatic. Don't try to overhaul your life. Set up a $5 or $10 automatic transfer every payday. The amount doesn't matter. The consistency does. Step 2. Create a friction wall for bad habits. Want to stop impulse spending? Remove payment information from your favorite online stores. When something requires effort, your brain naturally slows down. Step 3. Make progress visible. Track your debt, your savings, and your spending in one simple place. Humans change faster when they can see the score. And here's the part most people don't realize. Small, boring decisions compound the same way money does. Every automatic transfer, every avoided impulse, every tracked dollar closes the gap. You don't need perfect discipline. You just need fewer moments where your emotions run your wallet. Start with one behavior today, not tomorrow, not someday. The wealth you build later is shaped by the behaviors you repeat now.